evening, everyone. I am Ritesh and I am pursuing the BCA from the Dynamic Computers and the IT training by the most talented person who is the Mr. BK Sinha sir, who is the director of the EMAX institutions of the ARA city. Okay, everyone. And after all these things, I want to discuss with you about one topic which is a very interesting topic in our life, you can say. Okay, everyone. So now this time we are going to be discussing about that topic, which is the softwares. Means what is the meaning of the softwares? What is the advantage of the softwares? Why is it necessary? Means okay, and where we can say where we can see softwares are available and how to create the softwares and etc. So on. We are going to the elaborate in this session. Okay, everyone. So let's start it. So what is the softwares? First of all, we should have to the understand about that what is the softwares. Okay, everyone. So software is what? What is the meaning of the softwares? Okay. So software is nothing but software is a collections of the programs, collections of the instructions that is called the softwares. Means we are going to the if you are going to the create any software means what we are going to the do there, we are going to the create a different functions in our program. Okay, everyone. So that time that the collections of the functions, that one will be called the what, that one will be called the softwares. Okay, everyone. So we have to the see that what is the software. Software is a collection of the functions. And how can you say that that one is a collection of the functions? You can also see, you can also check the operating systems, maybe your Linux, maybe your different softwares will be available in the market. Okay, we are going to the suppose operating system that is a very usable, which is the operating system is the window is the very usable. Okay, and here we can see that in the operating system window there are a lot of functions is available there. Okay, everyone. So all these functions is going to the create one software, that one will be called the system software. Okay, everyone. So we have to the see that what is the meaning of the softwares. So in the single words we can say that collection of the functions, we collection of the functions is the softwares. Okay, everyone. Yes. So we are going to the after these things we are going to the see that how many types of the softwares in the market. So we can see that we have a different types of the software. First one is the application softwares, second one is the system software, third one is the utility software. Mainly three types of the softwares is available in the market: utility software, application software, and the system software. Okay, everyone. So now this time we are going to the discussing about that what is the application software and then the system software, and then we are going to the discussing about the utility softwares. Okay, everyone. So what is the application software? We are going to the discussing in this session. Okay. So application software means what? Application software is nothing but this one is also one set of the instructions, set of the functions. Okay, but here we are going to the create one application, through that we can use all these functions. Suppose we have the different application in the market, maybe your Facebook, maybe your YouTube or anything else. So we are going to the see in the on the Facebook, that in the Facebook a lot of function is there. We can post the any pictures, we can post the videos, we can post anything, text as or anything else their parts. Okay, so there have the different thing, different function have to the created. So all this function is going to the create one applications layer, application layer, that one will be called the application software. That software will be called the application software. Okay, everyone. And after all these things we are going to the see that what is the system software. But before that we are going to the see, we are going to the see that what is the advantage of the application software that we are going to the create the applications. So suppose we have the different functions to create. We have the different functions. Okay, you can also ask me that why we are going to the create application when we can do also we can also fulfill our work on the through the websites. So main reason is here that when we are going to the create any applications, then at that time we can say also that easy to operate, and easy to use that. Okay, so main reason is also here. And also you can see that if you are going to the use the websites, maybe your Facebook website, okay, suppose for YouTube, okay, or maybe Facebook. So at that time what we are going to the see that every time we are going to the Chrome, first of all we are going to the tap on the Chrome, and then we are going to the write the facebook.com, and then it is going to the open the Facebook, and there we can also see that all this functionality is not available there. So main reason is also here that we are going to the create one application, there all these things will be okay everyone. So this one is the advantage, and also here we have the disadvantage of the application software. That what is the disadvantages? So main disadvantages of the application software is nothing but we can say that if we are going to the download any softwares in our system, so at that time what will be happen, this one will be take one of space. Okay, so at that time in the point on the point of that view, that this one is going to the take one blocks memory. So at in this point of view you can say that this one is the disadvantages of the application softwares. Because if you are going to the not use the application software, we can go to the websites, and that time we can see that there have no uses of the application, means we can do anything. Okay everyone, but something will be different is there, means functionality will be not okay. So after that I want to say you, and also easy to not operate there. Okay, so we have to the create one applications, but there also one thing that every time we are not going to the use the Facebook, so what we have to the download that. So that point of view you can say that that one is the disadvantages of the application softwares. Okay everyone, so we have to the see that what is the application softwares and the disadvantages with the advantages of the application softwares. Okay everyone, and after all these things we are going to see that what is the meaning of the system softwares and etc. so on about the system softwares. So first of all we should have to understand about the system software. So what is the meaning of the system software? We can say that system software is nothing but that one is also the collection of the collection of the functions, collection of the instructions, we can say. Okay everyone, means in the system softwares and the application software, what is the differences there? We can also say that system software is the collection of the application softwares, and also you can say that functions, collection of the functions. Okay everyone, but point of view will be different there. Okay everyone, so system software is what? So system software is the collection of the system software is nothing but a software which have to the created for the suitable for the systems, means which operate the systems, which can operate our system. That softwares will be called the system softwares. Okay everyone, and through the system softwares we can operate our application software. Without the root, plant will be not okay. So here also we have the one thing that we have the one root, that is the operating system, that is the system software. Okay everyone, and then with the help of the operating system we can use the different things, different applications. So that one is the fruits you can see of the plants, and fruit is there. Okay everyone, so this is the example. So we can see that we can also say that system software is the nothing but a software which is usable for the operate our system. That software will be called the that software will be called the system software. Okay, everyone. Yes. So, what is the disadvantages and the advantages of the softwares? That is a system software. So you can also see that we have the lot of advantages of the system software, because without the system software, how to communicate with our computers, how to communicate with our systems. Suppose we have the one phone, a smartphone. Okay, maybe your Apple or anything else company will be there, but if your operating system will be not there, then how to do anything? Means for your system, that one is a soul. Okay, everyone. Yes. So without the operating system, without the system software, we can't operate any system. So this is the advantage of the operating system, that is the system softwares. Okay, everyone. And what is the system software we have to see, and disadvantages also we are going to see. So how can we say that? Means operating system is necessary there, because it is going to the create one bridge to communicate with the computer to the users. Means user is going to the give the instruction to the computer through the operating systems. With the operating systems, with the system softwares, we can install any types of the softwares, maybe your application software, anything else, and then you can use easily. But if you have no any application, if you have no any system software, then you can't operate your system, because that one is the soul for your system. Without that, your system will be one toy. Okay, everyone. So we have to see that what is the advantages. Also in the advantages, we can see that this one is a creating one bridge for the user and the computers. Okay, everyone. And in the last, what is the disadvantages of? So I don't think about that. Yes, but I'm just going to say something about on the point of view, in the my point of view, that also disadvantages, because everything has the advantages with the disadvantages. That what is the your operating system can be crash. Yes. So at that time, maybe your functions, some functions will be not responding. So that one is the disadvantages. Okay, everyone. So we can say on the different angle, we are going. I'm just delivering on the font in on the point of my point of view. Okay, everyone. So after the finishing the system softwares, we are going to see that what is the utility softwares. Okay, everyone. So what is the utility softwares? I think that a lot of person is not going to the understand about the utility softwares, but this one is also the one important softwares in our IT fields or anything else their parts. So what is the utility softwares? Utility software is nothing, but this one is also a part of the softwares which have also the functions collections. What that one is going to the improve your system, that one is going to the improve your system, that's called the utility softwares. Means, for example, we have the defender. By default is going to the given by the operating system in window, and also we have the different softwares installing for the for why, because of in our system going to the virus is going to the effective for our operating systems files or anything. So we are going to the use one softwares. That software will be called the utility softwares. Okay, everyone. So that time what will be happen, we are going to the see that when we have to the use the utility softwares. So at that time, cleaner in your operating system, that is maybe your in Android, we are going to the use the cleaners and the different things. So at that time, that one will be called the utility softwares. And also we have the softwares, the in the utility softwares, that is the we have the one utility software that is providing inside our system for the protecting our data, means for the recovery of our data. Okay everyone, so in your system by default all this data whatever we are going to the store, and also we are going to the delete, all these things is going to the pressing, and then that one is going to the collecting in one particular area of the hard disk in the in your memory. At that time that software will be called the utility softwares. Means which software is external softwares, that one we call the software utility softwares. Means which is going to the help you for your for your protecting your operating systems and improving your operating systems. So that time that softwares will be called the utility softwares. Okay everyone, so I hope that you have to the understand about the what is the utility softwares and what is the application softwares and what is the meaning of the system softwares. But I hope that you are going to the little bit problem in the utility softwares. So no problem, I'm just going to the say you something about that again and again. So what is the we have to the see that what is the utility softwares, which is which software is going to the use for the improve our system. That software will be called the utility softwares. So after that we are going to the see that what is the advantages of the disadvantages and also the disadvantages of the utility softwares. Okay, so advantages is also a lot of advantages here in the in here, because we can see that if we have the all these things, then our system will be improved, our system's speed will be improved. Okay everyone, so this one is the first, and the recovery of the data, that one is also the called the utility softwares. So we can recover our data, so that one is also the advantage of the utility softwares. And also we can see that what is the disadvantages. So maybe I, in my point of view, we can say that disadvantages is nothing, but this one is going to the store the this one is going to the if store the some area, it means this one is going to the defect some area. Means I want to say you that if you are going to the download that, then this one will be responsible for taking any area. So that is not any disadvantages, it is responsible for any program. If you are going to then install, then it will be take one space. But application software we can see maybe also here that. Okay, so we have to just see all these things about the system softwares and the application softwares and the utility software. But I hope that you are not going to the understand about the utility softwares. So let's okay, I will again I will create one video, I will create one video, I will make one video for the utility softwares personally. Okay everyone, and then I will describing about everything about the utility softwares and what is the recovery of the data and etc. so on, because here our video is going to the very long 18 point something minutes. So let's meet you again and again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.